Good morning, everyone. Today we are focusing on an artist statement. Remember, an artist statement is important because it helps you be introspective. It helps you think about your work, your process, what you might have done well that you can do again for your next project, and what you might have done that you might want to improve. This particular artist statement also calls us to focus on the elements and principles of art. Now, if you remember, the elements and principles of art are the key vocabulary words that we need in order to interpret and talk about our art. The elements are like the ABCs: line, color, shape, value, form, etc. Those are the smallest elements of art, and they're the easiest to identify. When we put the elements together, we create the principles of art. The elements are like the letters, and the principles are like the words. For example, I used color in my rocket ship. I used the colors orange and black. That's an element. I used the colors orange and black for every other tile on my rocket ship. That creates a pattern. Pattern is a principle. See? Easy peasy. Have a great day, guys.